Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Talk English with Dr. Surekha. Welcome to my today's video. If you are preparing for job interview and want to improve your spoken English, then you are in the right place. I will tell you different types of answers of different questions with different styles, and all these questions will be the questions which generally asked in every interview. If you follow all the instructions or if you see this video till end, you can speak with confidence, clarity while giving an interview. So stay tuned till the end. Now let us start what will be the questions and how to answer them. Let us begin. If you want to answer the questions in conversation style or friendly and natural tone, you can answer the questions in the following way. Generally, in every interview, the first question is, tell me about yourself. So, in conversational style, how will you answer it? Hi, I am Sneha. I am from Pune. I studied in IT and recently completed web designing course. I enjoy working with technology and learning new skills. In my free time, I love reading and solving puzzles. Another question which is generally asked is that what are your strengths? You can answer like this. I am organized and very punctual. I always meet deadline and I enjoy working with a team. The third question that is generally asked is that why should we hire you? How to answer this in conversational style? I am enthusiastic, quick to learn and ready to contribute. I may not have much experience, but I make up for it with energy and willingness to work hard. How will you answer the question like what are your weaknesses? Generally, you should not show your weaknesses. If you come across such kind of questions, how will you answer? I used to get nervous during presentation, but now I am working on improving my public speaking skills. Like this, you have to tell your weakness and you have to tell them that what efforts you are doing in order to improve it. The next question is asked for an interview is, where do you see yourself in 5 years? You can answer like this. In 5 years, I see myself leading a small team and helping others to grow while contributing to learn and improve. They can ask you a question like this. Do you have any question for us? So, in this case, if you have any question for the interviewee, you can ask them any kind of a question like your timing of a job or nature of your work. Like this, you can ask any kind of a question. So, how will you reply to this question? Yes. Could you please tell me more about how your company supports employee growth and learning? This was the conversational style answers. If you want to answer these questions in a formal and corporate style, how will you answer? Let us see. You should have more serious and professional tone while giving answers to such kind of questions. So how will you answer the question? Tell me about yourself in corporate style. You can answer like this. My name is Arjun Mehta. I hold a bachelor degree in mechanical engineering. I recently interned at Tata Motors where I assisted in project design. I am detail oriented and eager to start my full-time career. How will you answer the question? What are your strengths? In this style, you can answer like this. My key strengths include time management, teamwork and problem solving. I am known for staying calm under pressure and delivering results. How to answer in this style to the question, why should we hire you? Your answer should be like this. I believe I bring fresh perspectives and strong work ethics. I am ready to learn, adapt quickly and contribute positively to your team. How will you answer to the question, what are your weaknesses? I sometimes hesitate to ask for help, but I have realized that collaboration is a key and I am improving my communication more openly. Here also you have to tell your weakness and you have to show or you have to tell them that what kind of improvements you are doing to overcome that weakness. The next question in this style is, where do you see yourself in 5 years? How to answer this in corporate style? I aim to grow in leadership role where I can manage projects, mentor juniors and add strategic value to organization. And the last question is, do you have any question for us? How to answer this question? Yes, I would like to know what success looks like in this role after 6 months or a year. If you want to answer all these questions in motivational and relatable style, your answer should be like this. These answers will help for beginners or first-time job seekers. Those who are beginners and first-time job seekers, listen these answers very carefully. How will you answer a question? Tell me about yourself. You have to answer like this. I am Rani. I completed my diploma in fashion designing. I love creating new designs and learning about trends. I also run Instagram page for my designs. How will you answer to the question, what are your strengths? I stay positive and never give up. Even when things are hard, I keep learning. Why should we hire you? How will you answer this question in this style? Because I care about doing good job. I am honest and hardworking and very excited to prove myself. What are your weaknesses? How will you answer this question in this style? I used to feel afraid to speak in English, but I practice every day now and I am improving step by step. The next question is, where do you see yourself in next 5 years? You will answer like this. I want to be more confident and skilled in my work and I hope to grow in your company and take more responsibility. And the last question that you have to answer like this. Do you have any question for us? If you have any question, you can ask. Otherwise, you can say no. You can answer like this. Yes, will I get support or training when I will start the job? If you have any question in your mind while starting such kind of a job, you can ask. Otherwise, say, no sir, I don't have any question. Remember, you don't need to speak perfect English. Just speak simple and clear sentences. So keep practicing and keep believing in yourself. And that's it. Now you have seen how is it simple to answer questions in a job interview. Remember, confidence comes with practice. Before going an interview, choose your style and speak these answers aloud and make them your own answers. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and share the video to your friends. And subscribe to my channel Talk English with Dr. Surekha in order to learn real life English practice. So, all the best for your interview. You have got this.